Number 7 says Kylie spent $33.50 to buy 13 flowers for her grandma. These both are totals. We have a total spent of $33.50 and a total of 13 flowers. The flower shop charges $3.25 for orchids and $1.50 for marigolds. The bouquet she created contained orchids and marigolds. How many of each type of flower did she buy? So each type of flower. We have orchids and marigolds. This is what we are solving for. So she bought a mixture of both for a total of $13. Remember we said that our units are all going to stick together. So we have a dollar amount, and a dollar amount. So it's $3.25 per each orchid plus $1.50 for each marigold. This is our system. Now how you solve it, you have a few options. We could do elimination. Of course, we could go to graphing. I'm going to go to substitution. I'm going to take this equation here and subtract x from both sides. You could, of course, subtract y from both sides as well. Okay, so my new system is that y equals negative x plus 13 and 325x plus 150, or 1.5, y equals 3350. So y is by itself. Y equals negative x plus 13. I'm going to substitute it in for this y. Now we're going to distribute the negative, the 1.5 to the negative x, and then to positive 13. Combine like terms. Then subtract 19.5 from both sides. Then divide both sides by $1.75. We get that x equals 8. Now x we set up as orchids. So there were 8 orchids. And then remember that we have a total of 13 flowers. So y will equal 5. Number 8. You and your friends buy 9 tickets to see Rascal Flatts. The lawn seats cost $25 per seat, and the floor seats cost $60 per seat. The total cost is $333. How many lawn seats and floor seats were purchased? So my totals are 9 and 330. X can represent lawn seats, and Y can represent floor seats. We bought a total of 9 tickets with a sum of lawn seats and floor seats. Remember, money goes with money, so $330, $25, and $60 will all be in the same equation. It was $25 per lawn seat plus $60 per floor seat. This is my system. Just to solve this one differently, rather than do substitution, I'm going to solve by elimination. I'm going to multiply my first equation by negative 25. Again, this is just one method of solving this system. So now we get negative 25x minus 25y equals negative 225. Now if you look in front of my two x variables, we have the same coefficient, opposite signs, which means you can add. Negative 25x plus 25x cancels. Negative 25y plus 60y is 35y. Negative 225 plus 300 is 105. So we have 35y equals 105. Divide by 35. We get that y is 3. 3 represented floor seats. We bought a total of 9 tickets. So if 3 of them were floor seats, we are left with 6 lawn seats. Okay, in number 9, we have the concession stand sells water and pizza during Tom's soccer game. 2 of his biggest fans' purchases are shown in the table. So Pat bought 6 waters, 4 pizzas for a total of $17. Colby bought 4 waters and 5 pizzas for a total of $14.25. Set up a system of equations to find the cost of each item. All we need to do is the cost per water and the cost per pizza. And, plus, and they will equal these dollar amounts. So we'll have 6x plus 4y equals $17, and 4x plus 5y will equal $14.25. Okay, so now we'll solve, and I'm just going to write down that x represents the cost of water, and y again represents the cost of pizza. Okay, so what is the cost of each water? I'm going to rewrite my system here, and then this one I'm going to definitely solve by elimination. If I want to solve for x, the cost of water, it's probably best to then eliminate the y's. Okay, so I am going to multiply. Let's see, 4 and 5, I can multiply this one by 5, and maybe this one by -4. So when we do that, we're going to go ahead and distribute the 5, and we get 30x plus 20y equals 85. Now in the second equation, we're going to get negative 16x minus 20y equals negative 57. Now when we look at our y's, we have the same coefficient, opposite signs. So now I'm going to add. So 30x plus a negative 16x is 14x. My y's cancel, and then 85 plus a negative 57 is 28. Then we divide by 14. We get that x equals 2. So it is $2 per water. See, if Lucas has $9 and goes to the concession stand, what is the maximum number of pizza slices he can buy? Okay, well, we didn't even solve for the price of pizza yet, but I'm going to say that, let's see, one of my equations, we'll do this one, 6x plus 4y equals 17. We said that it's $2 per water. Water was x. Okay, and then 5 divided by 4, we're going to get $1.25 per slice of pizza. So you could spend a total of $9, and we'll let P represent the number of pizza slices he can buy, and each one is $1.25. So now we divide by $1.25. And we get 7.2. Well, we definitely can't round this up because he wouldn't have enough money for 8 slices. And we also can't buy 0.2 of a slice. So he could buy a maximum of 7 pizza slices.